Good day, lovely learners! Warm welcome to our channel. Have you ever seen sentences like "it is said that" or "it is believed that" and wondered how they work? In today's video, we are going to learn about the impersonal passive, a useful structure in English for reporting what people say, think or believe without mentioning who says it. When and how can we use impersonal passive constructions? Stay with me until the end of this video to find out the answers. And don't forget, there is a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. Let's first remember why we use passive forms. They're used because the passive voice helps us emphasize the action or what happens, rather than who does it. In other words, the focus is on the result rather than the person. Today, we are talking about the impersonal passive. The word impersonal means not connected to any particular person. We use the impersonal passive when we want to report opinions, beliefs, what people think, say or claim in general. It is commonly used with verbs which refer to thinking or believing, like say, report, know, expect, consider, understand, and others. There are two forms of impersonal passive. The first form is formed with the verb be and the past participle, plus that, plus the clause. The subject here is not specific. For example, it is known that long holidays help people to feel happier. People know this, but we don't say who. It is said that long holidays help people to feel happier. People in general say this. It is believed that long holidays help people to feel happier. This is a general belief. The second form is built with the object plus the verb be with the past participle plus infinitive. Long holidays are known to help people feel happier. Long holidays are known to make people feel happier. Compare some examples with active and passive forms. People say that she is beautiful. It is said that she is beautiful. She is said to be beautiful. People say that she was beautiful. It is said that she was beautiful. She is said to have been beautiful. They believe that she is resting by the sea. It is believed that she is resting by the sea. She is believed to be resting by the sea. They believe that she has been resting by the sea. It is believed that she has been resting by the sea. She is believed to have been resting by the sea. I hope these examples were helpful and that you now have a better idea of how to use passive sentences in their personal form. To check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.